It's day 2 of our back to school week, and today we're focusing on a dish that's perfect for those busy nights when it seems like everybody needs to be at a different place at a different time. So no matter what time your troops show up for dinner, this all-in-one favorite is always welcome. The first thing we do is brown a pound or so of ground beef along with some crumbled Italian sausage and a few seasonings. While that finishes up, we combine a jar of spaghetti sauce with some cooked white rice. Half of this goes into a baking dish, and we top it with half the meat mixture. Some sliced mozzarella goes over that, and we sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. We'll repeat the layers one more time, and into the oven it goes until it's heated through and the cheese is melted. When you bring this to the table, and they ooh and ah at all those meaty, cheesy layers, you'll understand why this has become a test kitchen favorite. To get the recipe for our beefed-up rice casserole in time for back to school, or just because it looks so good, visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy, cheesy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.